In today's video, I'm going to show you how people are building online income streams using affiliate marketing and AI tools. And I'm going to show you the whole process step by step so that you can set up something similar for yourself. I'm going to walk you through how to choose your niche, how to find affiliate products, how to build your website using AI, and how to create your first monetized blog post, even if you have no prior experience with coding, technical, or business at all. And for this business, you don't need to create physical products. You don't have to manage inventory or handle any shipping. Instead, you're connecting people with products that they're already interested in and searching for and receiving a commission for that. So first thing that you need to understand for this is what is affiliate marketing. You may have heard the term before, but maybe you're not sure exactly how it works. So affiliate marketing is when you're promoting a company's products using a unique tracking link. And when you get a sale from your unique tracking link, you will be rewarded a commission from that company. This means you're not going to have to create any products, you don't have to ship anything yourself or manage any support. You're simply getting commission for selling other people's products. And once your affiliate blog is built and you have this website, you can then use it to promote lots of different links and work with different companies and even start to sell products of your own if you'd like to, like different types of digital products. So now that we understand what affiliate marketing is, let's go ahead and talk about how we're actually going to pick something profitable to sell products in. A lot of the times when people first get started with affiliate marketing, they'll say that it doesn't work, but the main reason for this is because they're not actually marketing these products to the right person or marketing a product that's in demand, or they're maybe not using a product that even earns enough commission. So these are two things. We want to make sure that we pick a profitable niche and a niche that people are interested in. This makes it a lot easier to find buyers for that company that we're promoting so that we can make the most commission. So I always like to pick niches where people are already spending money and have an interest. Some of these that I do recommend would be health and fitness, finance, travel, technology, beauty, lifestyle, and online business. These are all things that people are very interested in. They will spend money on for knowledge or resources. And so these are all niches that I do recommend. I honestly think as well, when you're doing this, that it can really be beneficial to pick something that you have a prior knowledge or an interest that you'd like to learn more about. This way you're able to stay consistent, because when we're working on something that we're interested in or that we know about, it makes it a little bit more tolerable and more fun to work on so that we don't really make it feel as much as work. So for me, and out of these categories, things that I'm interested in are obviously online business, technology, finance, and health and fitness. So those are all things that I would consider making my affiliate blog about, because I'll be able to talk about those things. I'll be able to share my own knowledge or experiences, and then also maybe even partner with these companies to sell their products that I actually use and know how they work. And once you have a niche in place, that's when we can actually go on to the step of finding companies to work for. This is one of the parts that people get stuck on, is they're like, okay, I want to start a blog about travel, but like, how do I actually get these brands to pay me to talk about them? And that's why we need an affiliate marketing platform to promote ourselves on and actually get these custom unique links. So we do have to go through a platform. Now, there are a lot of platforms out there, and I'm sure you've heard of some of them, but the one that I've used for years and years, and I absolutely love it, there's so many brands on there, is called impact.com. So as I said, Impact is a website that is going to link creators and bloggers and affiliate marketers directly with brands so you can start getting a commission. It's not going to require you to go to like a physical interview or a call or anything like that. You'll set up your profile on your page on Impact, and then you can start applying to work with brands. And for this tutorial, I am going to be using Impact. So of course I have linked it below for you, and it is free for you to sign up and use. You can create an Impact account. You don't have to put any money down or anything. And you will be able to, as a creator or an affiliate marketer, start applying for brands as soon as you set your account up. So I'm on my Impact account, and I just want to show you how this works. So this is where you'd go to discover and then find brands or products or campaigns. These are all sections you can look for. And then you can either type in a brand that you want to search for to see if they're available, or see new brands and such. And like I said, be able to categorize them depending on what exactly they are. Now, as I mentioned, something I'm passionate about is online business. So I could just type that in here in the search search bar and then see what brands will come up for that. And then I can kind of scroll through and see what might make sense, right? Now, as you're scrolling and you're looking for products, something that's very important and that a lot of people don't really check or realize is to make sure that you're looking at the commission and payout for the product that you're thinking about promoting. So if you're on here and you're looking at maybe travel or whatever it is the niche that you're looking in, as you scroll, take a look on the bottom and see exactly what it is that the product and company are offering for a sale. This is what's considered your commission. So for example, if a product cost is $300 and it shows us that they're willing to pay 30% commission, that means that we would get $30 per sale. Now, if the product only costs $10 and we're getting 30% commission, obviously the pricing and our commission is going to be a lot different. So I want you to take note of that when you're scrolling on here and you're looking at brands to really see what exactly the commission is that they're offering. Now, when you do find a brand you want to apply to, you would just click on it. You can see all the info here and you would just select join. It's then going to tell you exactly what you would earn on that campaign and when you're using this link. And you would have to give a brief explanation as to why you want to work with this brand and then hit join. Now, if you are accepted, you will then go to your home screen where you'll be able to access that unique link that I've been talking about. So on here, you would select the brand that you're going to be working with. In this video, I'm going to be doing it with Skillshare, which is an online course brand. And then once you're here, you will be able to hit copy or generate link if you do not have a link yet, meaning by selecting create. Then here you will see this is the magic link that you're going to use to promote this brand. And anytime someone uses this specific link, it'll be trackable. And if they make a purchase with it, that's when you're going to earn the commission. So that's how you would create your links and how you would apply for all of these brands. Normally, we would be moving on to what would be a very hard part, which would be creating a website and a blog, because that is essentially what could take a lot of time. But I found the best option for beginners to use and create a website and blog posts in just a few minutes. It used to be where you'd have to pay somebody to do it for you. You would have to know how to code. It would take a really long time. But with different AI tools, this is something that you can set up in, like I said, in just a few minutes, and you could have a full website in a few hours that to then start promoting your link. And we're going to be using the Hostinger AI website builder, which is an AI tool that will create our affiliate marketing website in just minutes. All you have to do is name your brand or your store, select what type of website you want to create, and give a short description about what you're going to be selling or promoting, and let the AI create your website for you. And again, there's no coding, no design skills involved. Everything is really customizable and easy to update, and it's something that you can build in just a few minutes. So to create our website and blog post, you can click the link in the description and head over to Hostinger. As you can see, they currently have their New Year's sale going on right now. This is a really great promotion if you've been thinking about starting, so I definitely recommend taking advantage of this while it's still available. I'm going to be signing up under the Business Website Builder plan. This is the one that I recommend so you can get access to all the AI tools, and I'm about to show you how to use the AI Store Builder, where you can set up your website and blog in just a few clicks. You're also going to need to access the premium tools and integration that help make your website better and more user-friendly to your customers. You can then choose the period of time that you want to sign up. There's a few different options depending on how long you want to lock it in. I'm going to choose the 48-month plan because that's going to give me the biggest savings and also different benefits like a free domain and an extra free months included with that. There's also a 12-month and 24-month plan available as well. Doing this is typically better than choosing the 1-month option because if you lock it in now, you can keep running your site without having to worry about renewing it every month and be able to take advantage of all the savings. And right now during the New Year's sale, you can see the 48-month plan comes to around $299 per month, which is about 84% off the regular price. And I also have an additional discount code to get you even more off. So you can type in MAC10 at checkout and receive an extra 10% discount on top of the sale. Just keep in mind that the discount may vary depending on when you're watching this. So click the link in the description to see the current promotion that's running. Now, once you're signed up and logged into Hostinger, you can go to the AI website builder, and this is where you're gonna start to generate your brand. I'm gonna do aligned and online growth, and then here's where you can put a description for your website. I recommend being very descriptive on what exactly you're going to be doing here and what you're going to be creating. So take time in this so that you can generate the perfect website. Now I've put in a prompt that says what exactly my business goals are. You have up to 700 characters, and like it says, to be, pretty descriptive. So it's giving me the all green, great description. So it's going to create a good website, and then I'm going to hit create a website. Now in just a few minutes, this is going to start generating our website for us. And then I'll show you the next steps on how we can create our blog and where to add our affiliate links. And just like that, it has given us our website. And as you can see, when I'm scrolling here, it's listening to all the things that I said in my prompt. It has all these different images. It's blocked correctly. It has a thing for people to sign up for email marketing. And it's a full-blown website that took less than a minute to create on here, which is really great. You can also over here on the right side, select different color options that you may want, and it will change them out for your store. You can also go over and hit here to see what it looks like on your mobile, because a lot of people are going to be scrolling on their phones. So as you can see, this looks great. And then I'm going to hit continue to further edit the site. Now you will have to go through this and enter some of your own info to make it more your own, but this will only take a few minutes because everything is drag and drop. Any text that you want to change, you just select it. You can either move it back and forth, or you can just simply start typing onto the board to add or delete text. It's also the same for images. If you'd like to change your image, you can select it, either hit generate image and use AI, or you can upload a different image here as well. You can access this on your Elements tab to add in any text, change your buttons if you want to do links, different photos, forms. You see all the options here. That is how you would add it. Again, very user-friendly and everything is customizable. And I do recommend, like I said, going in here and really editing it to exactly how you want it. This is something that won't even take you super long because you already have the copy and text that's written for what you gave in your AI prompt, making this a bit easier and less time consuming. Now, once you've edited your website and you like the way that it looks, you can now create your blog in just a few moments. Over here on the left side is where you're able to control everything on this panel that I'm showing you. So if you do want to add and take away things, it's all on the left side. We're going to go to AI tools, and over here there's a lot of different options, but we're going to go to the AI blog generator. So this is going to work very similarly to how we just created our website, but now we're going to be creating our blog. And our blog is where we're going to be sharing our affiliate link. So this is important, and again, something we want to generate, giving a lot of information about what it is that we're trying to sell or trying to help someone with. So first, you're going to want to choose the voice that you want your blog to be in. I'm going to say casual. Then you can select the length in words, meaning how long your blog post is going to be. I prefer to do 8 to 1,000 because I feel like it's just a bit lengthier, but it's not too long, but it's totally up to you. So I want to create my blog post about how to create social media content that converts, and that's easy for beginners. And in that, I'm going to be plugging my Skillshare link. And now I just went ahead and created a description here in the same way that I did for the website builder, giving it information about what I want my blog post to be about. And I mentioned in here that anytime the word Skillshare is mentioned, hyperlink it using this link, and I put the link that I grabbed from Impact. To grab your link from Impact, you'll go to the left side, select your brand, so in this case it's Skillshare, and hit create, and it will generate you a link. You can then copy this link down here and then use that when you're creating your blog post. Once you're ready, just hit create content. Now, just like that, it created us a blog post, and if we scroll, we can see all the different things here that it's put for us. It looks beautiful, it's easy to read, and then what you'll notice here is see how it says Skillshare and it's underlined? It hyperlinked that for me, as you can see here, with that specific link, and the AI did it for me, so I didn't have to go through and highlight everything and hyperlink it. That's a really cool thing that this will do for you as long as you tell the AI to hyperlink it. And because it's hyperlinked with my affiliate link from Skillshare, when somebody clicks on that, they'll automatically be redirected to Skillshare, and Skillshare will know that I sent them. Honestly, this blog post is pretty much ready to go. I can go ahead and switch out the images or the coloring if I'd like to, but overall, as you can see, it created the blog post for me in literally just a few minutes. And then when I hit go live, this is going to be live as a blog post on my website. You can go over here to the left side and hit SEO as well. This will show you what it's going to look like from Google, crafting social media posts that convert, a beginner's guide that looks really great. You can also use the AI assist to generate new SEO info if you want it to be more specific. It also is going to give you this thing that lets you know when things need to be edited to make the SEO better. SEO is a really great strategy when you're selling online or when you're doing affiliate marketing, because it's our way of telling Google what our product is or the product we're talking about and how to get somebody, the right buyer, answer to that, because with relevant keywords in our SEO, that way when someone types into Google how to start social media marketing for my business, my blog can come up with my affiliate links. And I suggest continuing this process and making multiple blogs that you can really be on there on your website and have a lot of different information. And if you need help with this, you can look up different other blogs for inspiration, use AI, and get lots of different ideas to create your blog posts. And bonus points, as I mentioned, if you want to sell products on your store, so like let's say people are coming to your store to read your blog, can then offer your products available to them. This is a great opportunity if you wanted to create a digital product that supports what your website is about. And for instance, for my website, I could create a content planner calendar that can be created in Canva, and then I could use and upload it as a digital product to sell for passive income on my site. So if you want to do that, you can add your store and upload your digital products, like I said, for sale on your website. You also won't have to pay any transaction fees. You'll make all of your profit because Hostinger doesn't charge you like some of the other platforms out there. And to do this, just click Add Store and then give your e-commerce store a name. You can then either import products you're already selling, or you can manually add a product. Just select Add Product and then choose the product type. Then you can start to upload your product's photos, a description and title, upload your actual digital product or physical product for sale, set a price, and post it live. You can then set up your payment methods, which there's a bunch of different options available for customers to pay you, and make an order directly on your store. There's also some other integrations as well. If you do want to offer multiple products, you can even upload print-on-demand products on here as well. Like I said, this is something you can really scale out. As a beginner, you can focus on making sure your website looks good and then adding in your blog posts, and then continue editing anything you want to at any time. Now, once you've edited this, you've made it your own, you're ready to publish your business, I would recommend checking out Hostinger's checklist just to make sure you didn't miss anything. One of the really cool features that this has is you can actually create and add your domain, which comes free with the AI business plan. Once you're ready to do that, you can go to Connect Domain and hit Get Domain. And as you see, it will look better when we have a domain versus the temporary one we have now. I'm going to select Get Domain, search for a domain name. So that's going to be aligned and online, and see if your domain is available. And as you can see when you scroll, all the available domains for my website name. I'm going to go ahead and select one, hit next, enter my contact details, and then hit finish your domain registration. So now I own this domain and it will be connected to the AI website that I just built. Once you're ready, you can hit publish website on the top right, and your website will be live and available for anyone to come to and see your site, see your blog. And also, we ended up monetizing our blog by adding those affiliate marketing links in. So as soon as people are starting to come to your website and blog, if they click and make a purchase, you will start gaining commission. And now that we're live, our blog is monetized, we can now start marketing our website so that we can get even more eyes to our affiliate links and start making money. There's a lot of really great free ways to do this. One of my favorites is Pinterest, because people come to Pinterest for ideas and inspiration. And specifically, if your niche is on something with improvement or creating, this can be really helpful. You can also post on social media and do different photos to promote your website. And again, using relevant things that people will be looking for. I would love to make another video talking about this because I'm somebody that really loves any type of free marketing. It's something that I use in all the different online businesses that I run, especially with Pinterest and social media. And of course, email marketing as well, because that's a huge bonus. Email marketing, when you're collecting emails, people are already interested in your brand. So it's really easy to retarget them, offer them sales, and it's a really great long-term strategy. Once you followed all these steps, you now have a monetized website and blog that is able to start making you passive income. And like I said, just a few clicks and sales can really generate a lot of commission for you. As everything, the more time and energy you put into this, the better the outcome will be. So my results are come from my own personal experience that I've put a lot of time and energy into it. Honestly, when using tools like this AI website builder from Hostinger, it makes the process so much easier. As you saw, we had a full blog outline in just a few minutes. Those are things that would normally take hours to build. So using different strategies like this can really help minimize all the time and effort. I'm going to leave everything linked below for you. If you want to save this video to come back to while you're creating, definitely do so. Hostinger's linked below with that code, along with Impacts. You can sign up for your affiliate marketing platform as well. Please comment any different questions down below and make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out on any further videos, and especially marketing videos too. I'm going to leave everything that's helpful in the description, and I will hope to see you in the next video.